Dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. How are you all? Fine, okay. So are you ready to start our class? Yes. So we are discussing our fourth lesson, conserving our environment. Hope you all have read the text. In this lesson, we have to study about the threats created by human beings that adversely affects the environment. And so far we have discussed about the causes and effects of air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. Hope you all have studied that. So today let's discuss about yet another threat that affects the environment, that is noise pollution and deforestation. So first let's study about noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Yes, sounds that cause harm to the people and also the creatures and that cause discomfort to the ears. This is noise pollution. Sounds that can harm the people and creatures and can cause discomfort to the ears. So what are the causes of noise pollution? Can you say some of the causes? Yes, loud music, use of loudspeakers, all this causes noise pollution. Then aeroplanes. Aeroplanes make loud noises while taking off and landing. So living near the airports can be harmful to the people. Then factories. In large factories, big machines are used. So these machines produce loud noises that can cause noise pollution. In our homes, sounds produced from pressure cookers, vacuum cleaners, mobile, TV, etc. are also minor contributors of noise pollution. They can also cause noise pollution. So these are the causes of noise pollution. Now what are the effects of noise pollution? If you are exposed to this loud noises for a long time, it can cause high blood pressure and also deafness. Deafness means loss of hearing. And also sleeping disorders in human beings and also in animals. So the causes of noise pollution are loud music, sound from loudspeakers, sounds produced by big machines in large factories, sound produced by the aeroplane while taking off and landing. All these are the causes of noise pollution. Then effects include high blood pressure, sleeping disorders and deafness. So this is about noise pollution. We have studied 4 types of pollution: the causes and effects of air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. Now let's discuss about deforestation. It is another threat caused by human beings that adversely affects the environment. We have studied about deforestation in our previous lesson. What is deforestation? Yes, large scale cutting down of trees or clearing of forest or permanent removal of forest in order to use the land for other purposes like cultivation and housing. Trees are cut down to build factories, roads, cities and also for the requirement of wood. All these causes deforestation. So these are the causes of deforestation. And according to the World Wildlife Fund, every minute forest area equal to 27 football field is lost to deforestation. So this is a major threat to the environment. So what are the effects of deforestation? deforestation? We have studied that the roots of plants hold the soil tightly together, thus preventing the fertile top layer of soil from being eroded away. So, if we are cutting down trees, what happens? The rate of soil erosion increases. The soil becomes loose and are easily eroded away. So, the rate of soil erosion increases if deforestation is increased. Then another effect of deforestation is, we know that trees release oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide, and thus they keep the balance between these two gases in the atmosphere. But if the trees are cut down, the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere will be reduced and the amount of carbon dioxide will be increased, and this causes or this affects the health of living things on earth. Then another effect of deforestation is, trees helps to bring rain. So when the trees are cut, the amount of rainfall in that area will be reduced. So these are the effects of deforestation. So the effects of deforestation are increase in the rate of soil erosion, imbalance in the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and decrease in the amount of rainfall. Then another threat to the environment is improper disposal of waste. You know, people around the world are generating large amount of waste or garbage. Garbage means waste. But the disposal of this waste is a huge challenge. If you are disposing this waste in the soil or dumping it in water, the entire soil and water will get polluted. If you are burning this waste, the smoke released will cause air pollution. So the improper disposal of this waste is a major threat to the environment. It will affect the health of living things on earth. So today we have discussed about noise pollution, deforestation and waste generation and disposal. These are the threats created by human beings that adversely affects the environment. Hope you all have understood the topic. Read textbook page number 28 and 29. From notebook, study question number 4 from fill in the blanks and question number 5 and 6 from answer the following. A YouTube URL is attached along with this. Watch the video. A test paper is also attached. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.